Hi friends, good morning one and all. Welcome back to again our secretarial practice second chapter joint stock company. Myself Mrs. Sheetal Kaviraj Jadhav, BYK College of Commerce. Today is our second lecture joint stock company. So in this lecture I will taught you what's the meaning of joint stock company. So this is very important point in this chapter. So listen here. What's the meaning of joint stock company? But before start the joint stock company, all of you remember in the last video I taught you revaluation of all the evaluation of business. Yes, anybody tell me? First one, yes, correct. Sole trading concern means one person start the business. Yes. Partnership firm, two-person and more than. So that is called the partnership firm. So that means sole trading one person, partnership firm two-person, and then after, yes, third one, limited liability partnership. Yeah. So then after joint Hindu family business, yes, cooperative business. Yes, correct. So when business start, okay. So all of you know now, sole trading partnership firm. But joint stock company is the more convenient form of business organization. Remember, because sole trading is the only 1%, partnership firm 2%. So then after so many limitation in that one. Okay. So then after start the joint stock company. So what's the joint stock company? Joint stock company means is the more formal and more convenient form of business. Business organization for the conduct a large scale business activity. यानी कि बिजनेस आपको अगर स्मॉल स्टार्ट करना है, छोटा सा स्टार्ट करना है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? दैट इज द सोल ट्रेडिंग या पार्टनरशिप फॉर्म इज द करेक्ट सफिशियंट है. But when the business has been start the large scale, so in that business activities, so that is called the joint stock company. It is a voluntarily association of person, यानी कि a persons voluntarily means स्वेच्छा खुद अपने मन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. It is a capable of satisfying requirement of modern industry. यानी कि अभी के हिसाब से देखा जाए, so it is the satisfied requirement. Modern industry के हिसाब से देखा जाए, so it is a satisfied requirement. This firm, so that means joint stock company of organization started in India in 18th century, remember. But now at present in India, we come across different types of joint stock companies. Different types of joint stock companies means, for example, just like a public company, private company, government, statutory, etc. So then after that means now just at present, if we are seeing here, so many changes in the all the industries. All so many different types of companies has been started. Okay, so now joint stock company can collect huge capital. Huge means more capital for the business. So that means sole trading concern, partnership firm, joint with the family's capital is the limitation. But when start the joint stock company can collect the huge capital for the business. This is the main important feature of the joint stock company, remember. The capital of company is divided into small number of individual units of fixed amount. So that means when company collect the capital, so in that time company sell out company share. So share means the small part of the capital, remember. A person who purchase the shares is called a shareholder. So that means when you purchase the shares, that person is called the shareholder. Shareholder is a part owner of the company. Remember, Shareholder is the owner of the company. The ownership of the company is with shareholders while its day-to-day administration is in the hands of director. So that means owner means the shareholder. Shareholder is not the only one place. So many scattered in this, maybe Nasi, Pune, Mumbai and other state also. So that's why that owner, so that means shareholders cannot see each and every day's administration. So that's why administration is hands of the directors. So that means shareholder elected representative of shareholders. Shareholder क्या करते हैं? As a representative के लिए आप किसको अपॉइंट करते हैं? डायरेक्टर्स को. ओके, सो द डायरेक्टर्स आर कलेक्टिवली नोन एज बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. यानी कि कंपनी में जितने भी डायरेक्टर्स अपॉइंट किया जाएगा एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स, that all the board directors are called the board of directors. Remember, okay, the portion of profit of the company, कंपनी का जितना भी पोर्शन है किसका? प्रॉफिट का. सो दैट प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द शेयर होल्डर्स इज नोन एज डिविडेंड. यानी कि आपने अगर कुछ पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है कंपनी में एज अ व्हेन यू परचेज द शेयर्स, सो इसके बदले में आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? सो यू कैन कलेक्ट द डिविडेंड्स आफ्टर 1 year. So that means this dividend is the portion of profit. When the company get the profit, the company distributed the dividend of all the shareholders. Okay, next. What's the definition of a joint stock company? According to Companies Act 2013. Remember, Companies Act का क्या साल है? Year. What's the Companies Act 2013? Remember. So in that Companies Act 2000, according to company means a company incorporated. Incorporated means registered under this act or under any previous company law. It means every organization would get the status of a company. It is incorporated under the relevant law as a company before or after the enactment of the Companies Act 2013. Okay, so that means Companies Act 2013 के हिसाब से जो भी उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट मीन्स रजिस्टर किया होगा तो कंपनी को क्या बोलेंगे? जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी. Then Professor H.L. Haney also, according to that joint stock company's definition, a joint stock company is a voluntary association of individual for profit, having its capital divided into transferable shares, the ownership of which is the condition of membership. यानी कि जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी क्या है? वॉलंटरी एसोसिएशन है, स्वेच्छा वो स्टार्ट करते हैं. प्रॉफिट है वो क्या किया जाता है? इंडिविजुअली उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. हैविंग इट्स कैपिटल, उन्होंने जितना कैपिटल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है उसके हिसाब से क्या किया जाता है? प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. डिवाइडेड इनटू ट्रांसफरेबल शेयर्स. शेयर्स कैसे रहते हैं? ट्रांसफरेबल रहते हैं. The ownership of which is the condition of membership. Okay, the next. Features of joint stock company. Features means वैशिष्ट्य. joint stock company की क्या क्या features है? First one, it's a voluntary association. Joint stock company is incorporate association. Artificial person. Then after I explain you one by one. Okay, just see all the features of joint stock company. Okay, next one, common seal, limited liability, separation of ownership and management, transferability of shares, number of members, capital and government control. So these all is the features of joint stock company. Remember, many times ask the question in the exam, what's the joint stock company and what's the features of joint stock company. Maybe you ask the question as a short notes, yeah, short question. Okay. In the next lecture, I will explain you details one by one. Okay.